Surface area of pyramids and cones. Okay, first we're going to look at has a square base. The first part of the formula says we're going to take the perimeter divided by 2 times the slant height. If we look at this, the length is 9.2, that's the same all the way around. There are 4 sides, so we're going to take 9.2 times 4 divided by 2 times our slant height of 15. So that is part 1 of the formula. Part 2 says we're going to add the length times the width, which would be 9.2 times 9.2. When we're working this out, we're going to take 9.2 times 4 times our overall slant height of 15 and divide that by 2, and we'll get 276. We're going to add that to 9.2 times 9.2. We multiply those out, we'll get 84.64. And if we add that into our 276, we're going to get 360.64. In this case, we're going to round to the nearest tenth. The 4 tells the 6 to stay the same. So we're going to have 360.6 centimeters squared. Okay, if we look at number 2. Number 2, the base of the figure is a triangle. So to find our perimeter, we're going to take 1.5 times the 3 sides and divide that by 2 after we multiply by our slant height. Again, our slant height is going up the side, so it'll be times 2.5. The next part of this, we have to add the area of the base. And again, the area for our triangle is base times height divided by 2. So we're going to have 1.5 times 1.5 divided by 2. So if we start working on the first part of the formula, we have 1.5 times 3 times 2.5 divided by 2. That gives us an answer of 5.625. The second part, the area of the base, 1.5 times 1.5 divided by 2, we get an answer of 1.125. And for our final answer, we will add those two together. We will get 6.75. Again, rounding to the tenths, the 5 tells the 7 to go up. So we'll have 6.8 meters squared. Our last one. If we look at our cone, we're going to have pi times our slant height plus pi r squared. Pi is 3.14. Our radius is halfway across. They give us 30, halfway is 15. And our slant height going up the side is 17.5. We're going to add that to pi times our radius of 15 squared. The first part of the formula, we're going to have 3.14 times 15 times 17.5. Get an answer of 824.25. We're going to add that to 3.14 times 15 squared. We'll get 706.5. At the end, add our two together. We should get an answer of 1530.75. Again, round to the tenth. 1,530.8 centimeters squared.